Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter function. Before that we should refresh our mind. So let's do Brahmanad. Om Shanti 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 Swastha. Dear students, in last class we discussed the even functions, odd function, and how to find the domain and range of the function. Today we are going to discuss types of real functions, some types of real functions. Now let's discuss the types. Real functions. Actually, what do you mean by real functions? A real function means the function whose domain and range subset of set of real numbers. Okay. So now let's discuss about its types. Types of real functions. Okay, some types of real functions. Some types of real functions. Some types of real functions. Number one, constant identity function. Identity function. Before that, we should know what is identity relation. Before that, we should know what is identity relation. Identity relation. What is identity relation? The relation on A is said to be identity. The relation R on A or F on A is said to be identity relation if x comma x belongs to the relation F for all x, this is for all symbol belongs to A. For all x belongs to A, this is identity relation. If there is any element present in the set A, then x comma x must be present and other terms absent. That is, example, that is, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and the relation F is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is only identities, others are not identity. Only this is only the above is identity relation. Identity relation. This is identity. Similarly, what is identity function? Similarly, what is identity function? The function. Similarly, what is identity? The function and function. The function f from, this is set of real number, this is capital design R, that is R from R, that is real number. This R indicates real number and this R indicates relation. Mind it, dear students, simple R, simple capital R represent relation, design capital R represents what is set of real number. the function f from set of real number to set of real number is said to be identity function if f of x is equal to x and denoted by idx, and denoted by idx. Id here set of real number is what? R. IDR of x is equal to x. ID means identity function. Okay, that is in case of identity function, that means f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to, f of half equal to half, etc. That is f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2, f of half is equal to half, etc. This is the nature of the identity function. Clear? Now, what is the graph of, what is the domain of the identity function? Domain of the identity function. Domain of the identity function is equal to set of real number, that is what? That is minus infinity to plus infinity, and range of the identity function is equal to set of real number, that is minus infinity plus infinity. Okay, this is the identity function and its domain and range. Now, graph of identity function. Graph of identity function. Graph of identity function. What is its graph? Now let's discuss about its graph. Graph of identity function. Okay, graph of identity function. Graph of identity function. Graph of identity function. Now, so f of x is equal to x means that implies what? Y is equal to x. Y is equal to x, and its graph is like this. Suppose x is equal to 0, this is x and this is y. X is equal to 0, y equal to 0. So, the point is 0, 0 here, origin 0, 0. And x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, this is 1 and this is 1, this point. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, this is 2, 2, like this. And suppose this is minus 1 and this is also minus 1, and this is minus 1. So, this point is minus 1, a line in the graph is like this, straight line passing through the graph of the identity function is the straight line passing through origin. Clear? Now, this is x-axis and this is x-axis and this is what? Y-axis. This is origin O, and this angle is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. So, the graph of the function, identity function is what? Equal inclined to the coordinate axis at, that is first quadrant and third quadrant. It is the property. Okay. Now, type 2 constant function. Number 2 is constant function. the function f from R to R is said to be constant function if f of x is equal to k, where k is any real number, any real constant, where k is any real constants. Okay, so the function is said to be constant if it is independent of the values of x. Example, what is f of x is equal to 5? It is a constant function. F of x is equal to 1 by 2. It is constant function. F of x is equal to minus 3. It is constant function. Clear? So, what is domain of the constant function? Domain of the constant function is what? Domain of the constant function. Domain of the constant function is equal to constant function f of x is equal to k is set of real number r. Range of the constant function, f of x is equal to k is singleton set k. For example, what is the domain? And range of the constant function, f of x is equal to 2. So its answer is what? Domain is equal to R and range is equal to what? Singleton element, that is only 2 here. Now, what is the graph of the constant functions? Now, let us discuss about graph of the constant function. Okay, now graph of constant function. Draw the graph of f of x is equal to 3. That is, f of x means y. Solution: f of x is equal to 3, that implies y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 means x remain constant. So y is equal to 3. Y value remains constant and x for any value of x. Suppose x is equal to 0, y remain constant. Suppose this is 1, 2 and 3. This is the point. Okay, and draw the table also here to better understand. Draw the table. Suppose this is what? This is x and this is y. X is equal to 0, y equal to 3, x is equal to 1, y equal to 3, x is equal to 2, y equal to 3, like this. X is equal to minus 1, y equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3, so etc. So for every value of x, y remains constant. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. This is 1, 2, 3. X is equal to 2. This is also 3, same constant. And x is equal to minus 1. This also 3. X is equal to minus 2. This also 3. So the line parallel to this is x axis and this is y axis and this is origin. So the line parallel to the straight line parallel to what? The straight line parallel to this is what? Y is equal to 3. Graph of y is equal to 3 or graph of f of x is equal to 3. Now for negative one question. Number 2 question, draw the graph of. Number 2, draw the graph of what? Draw the graph of y f of x is equal to suppose minus 3 or minus 2 etc. negative value. Suppose another graph, draw the graph of f of x is equal to suppose graph of f of x is equal to suppose minus 2. So now solution f of x is equal to minus 2. That implies y is equal to minus 2. For every value of x, y remains same, that is minus 2. So the graph is what? The graph is, suppose this is x axis and this is y axis and this is origin. For every value of x, the value of y remains fixed. So this is minus 2 given. So for x is equal to 1 here, suppose the table is like this. Suppose the table is like this and this is what? This is x and this is y. X is equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, fix for here. X is equal to 2, y equal to minus 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 1, y is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. So the value of y remains same for every real value of x. Every real values of x. So x is equal to 0, y equal to minus, this is suppose minus 1 and this is minus 2. This point is minus 2. X is equal to 1, this is minus 2. X is equal to 2, this is minus 2. This is 1 and this is 2. X is equal to minus 1, this is minus 2, same. X is equal to minus 2, this remains same. So the graph is parallel to, what? X axis. From above two questions, that is question number 1 and question number 2, we conclude that the graph of the constant function is always parallel to x axis. If it is positive, then it lies above. The graph lies above. If it is negative, then the graph lies below the origin. It is the conclusion of the graph. Okay. Now we combine for this two questions. That is combination of two questions is what? That is graph of f of x is equal to k is equal to what? Graph of f of x is equal to k, where k is a fixed constant. Graph of f of x is equal to k. Graph of f of x is equal to k, that is here x o here y, and this is x dash and this is what? Y dash. So this is graph of y is equal to k if k greater than 0. Y is equal to, this is y is equal to k, y is equal to k if k less than 0. k less than 0. And graph of this is y is equal to k if k is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0. This is the combination of these two questions. Okay. Now this is the type 2 constant function. Now another function, type 3. Now type 3, that is polynomial function. Polynomial function. The function f from R to R, set of real number to set of real number. The function f from set of real number to set of real number is said to be the function f from R to R, set of real number to set of real number is said to be polynomial function. Polynomial function if it is in the form of f of x is equal to a naught x to the power n, a1 x to the power 1, that is x, a2 x to the power 2, like this, what, an x to the power n, where a naught, a1, a2 like this n are real constants, and are called the coefficients. This is what? This is a2 and this is a x to n minus, this is n minus 1, n minus 2, like this. This is an. This is a naught x to the power n, a naught x to n minus 1. This is x to the power n minus 1, like this. This is only constant. Are called coefficients. And the powers of x, are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers may be positive integer and 0 also include. Now some example of the polynomial function. Examples: f of x is equal to 3x4 plus 2x square minus 1. It is polynomial. Number 2, f of x is equal to minus 5x to the power 7, 3x4 minus 2x minus 1. It is also polynomial. Number 3, and one thing is remember here, where and n is the highest power. The highest power of x is called degree of the polynomial. Here, that is one thing remember here, the highest power here, the highest power of x is n. N is called degree of the polynomial. This is important thing. The highest power here, what is degree? Degree, highest degree is what? Highest power is what? 4. Polynomial of degree 4. This is polynomial of degree 4. And this is polynomial of degree. Highest power is 7. And this is polynomial of degree what? Degree 7. Now another question, therefore f of x is equal to 10x cube plus 5x to the power minus 2 plus 3. It is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. Not polynomial. From above, from this example, we can conclude that if the degree of the variable, that is x, is positive or 0, then we can say polynomial. Otherwise, if it is negative or fraction, we cannot say, that is it is polynomial. And fourth one is what? F of x is equal to 7x to the power 4, 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus 8. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Here, now, what is domain and range of the polynomial? What is domain and range of the polynomial function? Domain of the polynomial function. Domain of the polynomial function. Polynomial function is set of real number, that is minus infinity plus infinity to plus infinity. Range of the polynomial linear function. Linear function. The quadratic polynomial, the what is linear function? The polynomial function is said to be linear function. The polynomial function is said to be linear function. Linear function if its degree is 1, or we can say the function f from R to R. The function f from R to R, which is in the form of the function f from R to R, is said to be linear function if it is in the form of f of x is equal to ax square plus ax plus b, a not equal to 0. Examples: f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, f of x is equal to minus 2x minus 5, f of x is equal to 6x minus 2, etc. And the domain of the polynomial function is always what? Domain of the polynomial function is what? Domain of the linear function. Now, domain of linear function is equal to set of real number R, or we can write minus infinity plus infinity. Range of a range of linear function is equal to r, or we can say minus infinity. One thing, the graph of the linear function represents a straight line. The graph of the linear function, the graph of the linear functions represents the graph of the linear function represents the graph of the linear function represents the straight lines. Clear? Let's do the graph of the some linear functions. Okay, graph of linear functions. Draw the graph of f of x is equal to 3x plus 4. Solution f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, that is y is equal to 3x plus 4. Y is equal to 3x plus 4. Now this is the table for value of x and y, and this is what x and this is y. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to what? 7. If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1, and x is equal to what? X is equal to suppose minus 2. X is equal to minus 2, that is minus 6 plus 4. This is what? Minus 2. Taking this table, draw the graph. The graph is like this. The graph is, this is x axis, x o x dash, and this is y o y dash. And this is, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. 0, 4. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. That is like this. That is 5, 6, and this is 7. Okay. If x is equal to 1, y equal to 7. This is the point, y is equal to 7. If y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to what? 1. X is equal to 1. This is the point. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to what? Minus 2. This is minus 1, and this is what? Minus 2. So the graph is like this here. The graph is a straight line. The graph is a straight line. Clear? This is graph of what? Polynomial function. Sorry, graph of linear functions. Clear? Now, if the degree is 1, it is linear. If the degree is 2, then it is called quadratic function. Okay. Now, quadratic function. Quadratic function. Quadratic function. Quadratic function, the polynomial function is said to be said to be quadratic function if its degree is 2, or we can say the function f from a to b, r to r is said to be quadratic function if f of x is equal to, if it is in the form of f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0. Example, f of x is equal to minus 2x square plus x plus 5, f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 1, etc. f of constant may be 0. Okay, the domain is always set of real number. Domain is also domain of polynomial function, domain of quadratic function is R, and range depends on the equation or function. Range depends on the function, quadratic function. Okay, now what is the graph of quadratic function? Now graph of the quadratic function represent a parabola. Its graph name is what? Parabola. Draw the graph of, that is graph of the quadratic polynomial, that is quadratic function. Note, graph of the quadratic function is always parabolic. Graph of the quadratic function is parabolic. Now draw the graph of f of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Draw the graph of and write its domain and range, writes its domain and range. Now solution is what? Solution f of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Now make perfect square. F of x is equal to, here f of x means what? Y. F of x means what? Y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. This can be written as y is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 2 a square plus b 2ab plus b square. Here plus 2 square, we have to balance it, so minus 2 square, and this is 3, and this is equal to what? Y is equal to this, up to this we can write x plus 2 whole square, and this is minus 2 square means what? Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. Clear? So now what is the graph of this? Now graph, that is x and this is y and this is y. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 square, that is 4 minus 1, 3. If x is equal to 1, this is what? 3 square 9 minus 1, 8. If x is equal to here, if x is equal to here 2, that is 2 plus 2, 4 square, 16 minus 1, this is 15. And if x is equal to minus 1, this is what? Minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, this is 1 square minus 1, that is 0. If x is equal to minus 2, this is 0 and this is minus 1. If, okay, now if this is equal to minus 3, if x is equal to minus 3, then 1, this is minus 3 plus 2. That is 1 square 1 minus 3, for minus 3 this is equal to what? 0. For minus 1 this is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Okay. If x is equal to minus 1, this is 1 square minus 1 square 0. If x is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 1 whole square, that is 1 minus 1 0. Taking this table, draw the graph. Draw the graph. Now graph is what? Like this. Graph is, now the graph is what? Like this. This is x, O, x dash, and this is y, O, y dash. X is equal to 0, y equal to 3. Suppose this is 1, 2 and this is 3. X is equal to 0, y equal to 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. This is 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. And x is equal to 2, this is 15. 2, this is 15. Suppose this graph 15. Suppose this is 15. Suppose this is 15. Okay, this is graph. If x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 0, this is minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, then this is equal to what? 0. X is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 1, this is suppose minus 1, this is minus 1, and x is equal to minus 3, then y is equal to 0. So the graph will be like this. The graph will be like this. Okay, the graph will be like this. So this point is what? This is minus. This is what? Minus 1. This is minus 1. This is the graph. From the domain, what is domain? For every domain of the function. What is domain? Domain is equal to set of real number R. What is range? Range is equal to what? Minus 1 to infinity. From the figure, this is minus value of y, minus 1 to up to infinity. Range is equal to what? Range is equal to square bracket minus 1 to infinity. This is, or we can do this what? Always, or we can do for range, x minus 2 whole square always greater than equal to 0. Here minus 1 is present, so subtract 1. X minus 2 whole square minus 1 greater than equal to minus 1. And for this is y. that implies y greater than minus 1. So value of y greater than minus 1 means what? So therefore range is equal to minus 1 to infinity. You can this do like this, or from graph you can find the range of the function. Okay. Now rational function. What is rational function? Rational functions. Rational functions. The functions f from r to r, you can say denominator not equal to 0. The function f of x is said to be a rational function if it is in the form of f of x is equal to px, polynomial of x, that is q by qx, where q of x not equal to 0 and p of x and q of x both are polynomials of x. Example, f of x is equal to 3x square plus 1 divided by x plus 5. F of x is equal to 4x cube plus 8x plus 1 divided by 3x square minus 9x plus 6, etc. Now how to find domain and range of the polynomial we discussed in previous classes. Now one question, find the domain and range of the polynomial function. The graph depends upon the question. Okay. One question, find the domain and range of the function, that is a rational function f of x is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. This is the question. 2x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by x square minus solution. F of x is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. For domain, this x belongs to R. Okay, x belongs to set of real number. For domain, x square minus 4x plus 3 not equal to 0. So x square minus what? X square minus 4x not equal to 0. Now x is equal to what? Find the value of x here. This is minus 3s minus x plus 3 not equal to 0. That implies x minus 3 minus 1 x minus 3 not equal to 0. That implies x minus 1 into x minus 3 not equal to 0. So x not equal to 1, x not equal to 3. Therefore, domain is equal to what? Domain is equal to set of real number minus 1 comma 3. Now for range, put f of x is equal to y. Put f of x is equal to y, that is y is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by what? X square minus 4x plus 3. Now multiply this, that is equal to, this is 1 here. So 2x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to x square y minus 4yx plus 3y. That implies what? 2x square minus x square, so common here, that is 2 minus y into x square, 2 minus y into x square, minus 2x plus 4, that is 4y minus 2 into x, and this is what, 4 minus 3y is equal to 0. For real x, what, b square minus, that is what, x is equal to minus b, that is what, minus of 4y minus 2 plus or minus root over b square, that is 4y minus what, 4y minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a, 2 minus y, c 4 minus 3y by 2 into what, 2 minus y, 2 into 2 minus y. Clear? For real x, for real x, for real x, that is 4y minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 minus y, 4 minus 3y greater than is equal to 0. Okay, so simplify this, that is 2 common here, that is 2 into what, 2y minus 1 whole square, that is 2 square, this whole square, minus 4 into 2 minus y, minus 4 minus 3y greater than equal to 0. 4 common here, that is 4 common, and this is 4y square minus 4y, and this is plus 1 minus 2 into 4, that is 8, and minus 6y, and minus what, minus 4y, and this is plus 3y square greater than equal to 0. So simplify this, that is 4y square minus 4y plus 1 minus 8 plus 6y plus 4y minus 3y square greater than equal to 0. So this is y square, and this is plus 4y minus 4y goes cancel, plus 4y minus 4y, this is what, plus 4y minus 4y goes cancel, and this is what, minus plus 6y, and this is what, minus 7 greater than equal to 0. Now for this, now factorize this, that implies what, y square plus 7y minus y minus 7 greater than equal to 0, that implies what, that implies y common, y plus 7 minus 1 common, y plus 7 greater than equal to 0, that implies y minus 1 into y plus 7 greater than equal to 0. Draw number line, and its value is what, y equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Here y equal to 1, y equal to minus 7. So first minus infinity, then infinity, this is minus 7, this is 1. The coefficient of y here positive, the coefficient of y here positive, coefficient of y 1 and coefficient of y 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, positive. So put plus sign from the extreme right side. So this is plus, and this is minus, and this is plus. But our requirement is what, greater than equal to 0, means positive or 0. So this is the range. Therefore range is equal to minus infinity minus 7, this is square bracket, union 1 to infinity, this is square bracket. Or you can write range is equal to what? Set of real number minus 7 comma 1. This both answers are equivalent to each other. Okay, these are the some functions and graph and domain range of the some types of function. Next class we will do some more types regarding the types of function. Thank you. Have a nice day.